If you're running into delays, confusion, or duplicated tasks, you're probably facing project bottlenecks. And in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to prevent those using software that keeps your team aligned and your workflow smooth. Stick around because I've tried the most popular project tools, and I'll reveal the one I personally recommend with an exclusive free trial just for my viewers. The first step to preventing bottlenecks is visibility. You need to know who's working on what, when, and how it impacts others. This software makes it incredibly easy with a drag and drop visual board where tasks are assigned to team members, deadlines are crystal clear, and status updates happen in real time. No more waiting on a Slack message or digging through endless email threads. Second, automate repetitive steps. Bottlenecks often happen because someone's manually updating spreadsheets or chasing approvals. Inside the software we're using, you can set up automations, like notifying the next person in line when a task is complete, or automatically moving tasks when conditions are met. It eliminates idle time and keeps things flowing. Third, use dependencies. This is huge. A task shouldn't start until another one finishes. Set that rule. The software makes it simple to link dependent tasks, so your timeline adjusts automatically when things shift. No manual recalculations needed. Fourth, keep communication inside the task. Every comment, file, or note tied to that task should stay there. That way, no one's asking, where's the doc? Or what's the latest version? This software supports built-in messaging and file sharing to centralize everything. Fifth, make use of dashboards. Dashboards show project progress, individual workloads, and potential risks in one glance. If someone's overloaded or a deadline's at risk, you'll catch it early before it becomes a full-blown bottleneck. Sixth, hold quick check-ins using your software's activity log or calendar view. You can spot stagnation by looking at untouched tasks. A 2-minute scan can tell you where attention's needed without interrupting your team with unnecessary meetings. And finally, templates. Bottlenecks often come from reinventing the wheel. Build or use pre-made project templates in the software to keep your processes consistent, tested, and fast. So, what's the key takeaway? Bottlenecks aren't just frustrating, they're avoidable. The right project management software gives you control, clarity, and speed. And all the features I mentioned, they're available inside the software linked in the description. It's the one I found most effective after testing dozens of tools. Quick recap: use visual task boards for clarity, automate repetitive steps, set task dependencies, keep communication within tasks, monitor dashboards, check for stagnation, and use templates. All of that combined helps you prevent project bottlenecks before they even start. And before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's just for viewers of my channel, and you can follow along with everything I showed here.